Hello everyone, so here is our first program purely in PHP, that is just to print hello world. So less than sign, question mark and PHP, and then we are writing echo and hello world, and then question mark and greater than sign. Okay, simply very simple program. Once you are done with this, and also one more thing, I am writing this program right now in Notepad. Okay, so first thing is you all have to save your program. Okay, you write any name, hello world or whatever name you want to write, but extension will be .php only. That will be the extension. That is the first thing. Second thing, where you have to save your file, that is the second thing or main thing. So uh, first of all, wherever in your computer, in C drive or whatever drive your XAMPP is installed, okay, in my computer it is inside this C drive, XAMPP is there. So click on that XAMPP, you will find so many folders, okay, and click on this htdocs. You all can see htdocs, okay. Click on that folder, and inside this folder you have to save your file hello world.php. So that is the second point where you have to save your file. And now the third point, how to run your PHP file. So for that, you have to open XAMPP control panel. Okay, so basically you will find this XAMPP control panel from this start. See here, if I search XAMPP, you will find XAMPP control panel. Click on that. Okay, so it is something like this. Click on this Apache start. Click on this MySQL start. So now they both are started. Okay, then minimize this. Now we are going to run this hello world.php using web browser, with whichever web browser you are comfortable. Okay, so you have to write localhost. Okay, that is the first thing, slash. You have to write hello world.php. Okay, localhost slash hello world.php and enter. You will find your output hello world. See, that is this one. So this is how you can write your first program, you can save your first program, and you can execute your first program using XAMPP. Thank you everyone.